Adultery in the UAE is still a criminal offense, but it can only be prosecuted through a private complaint, meaning filed by the spouse or, in rare cases, by a guardian. Simply put, adultery means consensual sexual relations between individuals who are not married to each other, but at least one of whom is otherwise married to someone else. The penalty depends on the circumstances of the relationship. If a spouse files a complaint, both parties may face at least 6 months in prison. This is in the event no child results from such relationship. This is under the UAE Crime and Punishment Law number 31 of 2021 and specifically Article 409. However, if the spouse withdraws the complaint, the criminal case is dropped or the sentence is suspended. If the relationship leads to a child, the penalty increases to at least 2 years in prison for both parties. However, this may be avoided if the parties marry or if one or both acknowledge paternity and official documents are issued for the child in line with the relevant laws. Importantly, proving adultery requires strong evidence, specifically proof of sexual relationship, not just suspicion or circumstantial behavior. In conclusion, adultery is still a crime in the UAE, but only the spouse or the guardian can bring a case. The state will not act on its own.